20. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5 right, 80 up middle. 4 right, 60, caution, 4 left over crest, tightens to 2, don't cut. So it's one of the first ones, it tightens to 2, don't cut it. 20, 3 right, opens to 4, long. 60, so opens to 4, 60, 5 left, 60, and watch this one again, 4 left over crest, tightens to 2. So watch this one again, 4 left, tightens to 2. 5 right over crest, and square left, 80. And flat 5 right, and flat 5 left, opens to long 6, 100. It's a very long 6, 100. 4 right, into 3 right over bumps, and fast 3 right in. So 4 into 3 over bumps, and 3 right in. Into danger, crest, 3 left, this one here. 4 right, long, 60 over loose, 3 right, don't cut logs, don't cut it. 40, 4 right, don't cut, 100, 6 right, so 6 right, flat crest, 60, flat 6 left, and flat crest, 150, and 4 left in, 40, 4 right, and tight 4 left, into crest, 6 left, and late 5 right, 80, 5 right into 5 right, only 60, 3 right. It's a 3 right, very short 3 left. And short 3 left, half in, carry, 130 down. Slippy break in, square right. 100 up. And flat 5 left, flat 5 right, in over crest. So 5 right, in over crest, and left on flat crest, 60, long fast 3 right hug. 60, long fast 3 right hug. Continues past the junction, don't cut. 40, 3 right up, and 80, keeps going. 80, short 2 left, and long 2 right up. 40, caution, 3 left nips. So 40, caution, 3 left nips, slippy, 80. Long flat 6 left, 100. And flat 6 right over crest, 130. Fast 3 left at junction, so 130 after. 3 left at the junction. And caution, 3 left, into 3 left. So here's your first, here's your second, into a third, 150. Fast 4 left, and small flat crest, and flat 5 right. So small flat crest, flat 5 right, and 6 right over crest, and middle over crest, 60 down, 3 right, don't cut. So you got 60, 3 right, don't cut. And flat 5 right, 40, flat 6 left over small crest, and 6 left, only 40, danger crest, tight 4 left, watch. So danger crest, tight 4 left, watch it. And long 3 right nips, and 130 down. And 6 right, sorry, watch it then, 4 right slow, long 2 left. So long 2 left. 60, fast 4 left, 4 right, and crest into sudden 2 right. So 4 left, 4 right, crest, southern 2 right. There we go. 80. Flat 6 right, 80. And 5 left, tightens the very long free, don't cut logs. So tightens the long free, don't cut logs. And 4 left, don't cut, opens the 5 in. And long 5 right in, and fast 4 left, don't cut. 6 right over bump, 60. Fast 4 left, 80. And long 5 left up. And long crest, 5 right, only 40 down, 4 left in, 3 right. It's only 40 down, 4 left in, 3 right. 200. Turn 2 left, into crest 5 right in. So 2 left, crest 5 right in, 60 down. And late hairpin left, slippy maybe. And long flat 5 right, 150. And long 3 right down. So long 3 right down. 6 left and well done. 6 left, 6 right, 5 left, 60. 6 left over crest, 5 left, 100. It's 5 left, 100. 4 left, 100. Slow 5 left, tight hairpin right. Well done. 60. 6 left and 5 left down. 60. 6 right, 60. And 6 right, only 40. Short 3 left. So only 40 after this one, short 3 left. And caution 3 left, tightens the 2, don't cut. So this one here, tightens to a 2, don't cut. 80. Flat 6 right, and flat 5 right into flat crest, into very long 5 right, tightens to 4 in, 80, and 4 right in fast, 80, short 3 left in, long 6 right, and flat 6 right, so flat 6 right, crest 4 left in, into long 6 right over crest, continues, into long crest, to long crest and slow crest, 4 right before the tree, so 4 right, 3 left, past the junction, 6 right, 60 down, 40, 4 right, 100, 6 right over crest, 40, 2 left, so watch your 2 left slippy. And caution, short 3 right into 2 left, don't cut, narrow bridge, watch the curbs. Long 3 left in, 40. Fast 3 right, 60. 3 left, 60. Care 5 left in over crest and tight 4 left into 5 right. Tight 4 left into 5 right. And fast 3 right in, 5 left, 40, 5 left, 170 over bumps, 6 right and crest, 5 left, 6 right, 60, and 6 left over small crest, 60, 5 right over bump, 150, fast 4 right in over crest, 4 right in over the crest, 60, 4 right and very short 3 left, so 4 right, short 3 left, 100, and 6 left, 6 right, 100, and 4 right, don't cut, 4 right, don't cut, and 6 left, and crest, fast 4 left, 40, late 4 right, into 4 left, late 4 into 4 left, 60, 4 right slippy, and 4 right, don't cut over crest, so don't cut over the crest, and 4 right slippy opens to 5, and 5 left tightens to long 4, 5 left tightens to long 4, and 2 right through the gate, and 2 right over the finish, 2 right over the finish. Well,
That felt good.
yeah.